Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the door controls, number DC10015. This is a 6-inch round, what is called PTO Handi Cap, push to open push plate, and this is an item that is a 6-inch round plate. It has the words push to open along with the Handi Cap symbol that's there. This is going to feature a back plate, and then the micro switch that's here, or the cherry switch they call it. Okay, your common, normally open, normally closed. It will include flag connectors. It will include the wire nuts, and include the Allen wrench along with the screws that will permit you to get this installed down through those really small holes that are there, okay, down onto the gang box or onto the mounting box that you're installing it down to. Okay, let's take a closer look at it and the documentation down below. Again, those installation instructions are linked to down below. A very simple sort of endeavor. Very simple sort of document. Not a lot there. Page 1 gives you the other options of push plates that are available with some accessories like a transmitter and a receiver. Page 2 are the precautions. Unplug everything before you start connecting wires. Page 3 is the mounting and wiring. Not a lot to really talk about. And page 4 is literally page left, intentionally left blank. So there's not much here at all. They do indicate your common and your normally open. I don't know if we're going to get really close on the switch, being able to focus on that. We're not going to be able to. Let's take a look. Yeah, normally closed, normally open, and then common. Normally closed, normally open, and then common. So that's obviously the way in which the standard state is going to be configured on this push plate. I would think that normally open would be the typical scenario where you then energize it to activate your door. Springs are down in there, which is what is communicating to the back of what would be called a cherry switch. Okay, you can really hit that from anywhere and get activation. And that's a hallmark of why this design is so good. Okay, aluminum plate that's on the back. Again, you're going to connect it. You're going to get your screws put in here through the keyhole slots. Then you'll use that small Allen wrench to get the installation complete. 6-inch is indeed 6-inch, a little bit shy on that, 5 15/16. And one more quick look. These are called flag connectors. You can use your imagination and see why they're called flag connectors. A couple of wire nuts. You're going to get 4 fasteners and then that Allen wrench to get your installation secure. If you're replacing one of these, you're probably going to want to mimic the information that's presented on the face of the plate. You know, the Handi Cap silhouette is very typical. Push to open words. The language is very typical. That is this combination of items are available in the 6-inch and 4 3/4. 6-inch round, 4.5-inch square, 4 3/4 square, and then the jam style, very narrow, that would fit onto a 2-inch hollow metal frame or an aluminum storefront frame. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the door controls products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. The name Door Controls is utterly synonymous with very good quality automatic door parts. They have their own line of high energy sliding and a couple of different versions of sliding. They have a version of their, one version of sliding, 2 versions of their swinging is what I'm trying to. So to summarize that, corrected, of their swinging, they've got a couple of models. They've got a sliding unit, a retrofit unit. And what's great about their door operators is that they have a full complement of everything that you would need: sensors, activating devices, the ability to connect it to accessory hardware, electric strikes, for instance, being able to time all of that off of the controller. Their documentation is clear and straightforward. Their technical service people are exceptional. And we will use those door operators when we have clients that need to bring to compliance an opening for handicap requirements, with or without sensors. And they do a good job with it. They're very good quality material. Most importantly, they're very eager and capable of answering technical questions so that when you get the material laid in front of you, you can do all of your checking and your studying, reality check. Any questions that are left out there, you can get with the factory or with us. We'll be able to get that answer. Any questions on the DC10015 6-inch push-to-open handicap silhouette push plate or any other door controls product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.